Hello! In this quick tutorial I'm gonna explain how to turn on this Samsung Galaxy S Advance without using the power button. So, we will need a USB cable connected to a computer, and first we press the home button, then we press the volume down button here, and we need the third hand to plug in the USB cable, or we can press those two buttons with the one hand, and then we take the USB, plug it in. Yes! And it shows this screen, blah 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 blah. We press volume down to restart the phone, and it will restart and let you to type the PIN code. I will wait to confirm. My phone is slow as fuck. Almost done. Oh, here it is. So, we're good to go. Thanks for watching and goodbye.